Yeah, Nanasi. Oh, we got Mange as well. We got Rodri. I mean, the pack was not bad.